Hey Wonderfuls, I want to show you my van office and my setup for working remotely. I feel like it's often overlooked, but I work from my passenger seat. I needed something that was going to be comfy for sitting down for 8+ hours a day, and something that was easy to set up and also to get in and out of in case I needed to move throughout the day. It was also important to me to be able to set up the office without getting out of the van in case I wanted to be stealthy. So there's a couple of components to the office setup. I already had a little wooden platform in place to kind of extend the passenger seat and hold up my dog bed so that he can sit there a little more comfortably when we're traveling. So when we're stopped, I can take the little platform, flip it upside down, hook it up to my dash and the visor, and that becomes my laptop stand. I use a separate lap table for my external mouse and keyboard, and that all stores neatly overhead on the driver's side and is just in place with a strap. I did add a couple of little wooden blocks that I can swing out to catch the armrest on the door to keep the table supported and level. I actually use some little cardboard packing forms just to make a little space between the lap table and the headliner, so I'm not strapping my keyboard and mouse in too tightly. And it's pretty easy to store it back up in place when I'm done with it. I just have a little 120 watt inverter that plugs into the cigarette lighter so I can keep my laptop running with that, either off my house battery or my van battery, or just use shore power if I have access to that. It might not be the prettiest setup, but it does the trick for me, and it allows me to work anywhere I can take the van and get all kinds of wonderful scenery from my desk job. I'd love to hear in the comments how you have your mobile offices set up, or if you have any ideas on ways that I could make this one a little bit better. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.